All right, it is Auto Insurance Between the Lines with Lisa and Jen, and today we are talking about at fault versus not at fault two-car collisions.
Yeah, so with two-car collisions, the insurance companies follow the traffic laws. So whatever the traffic law is for that area, that's what they typically will follow. They don't necessarily follow the Highway Traffic Act, or if the police were involved and they don't charge you with a loss, that doesn't necessarily mean that your insurance company is not going to hold you at fault. So it's really important to remember.
What are some traffic laws that are like the easy ones that we would understand?
So red lights, if you're going through a red light and you hit an oncoming vehicle or one that's turning left, those are easier reliability decisions. Of course, again, you can always come in with a he said, she said situation, in which case there's where your video camera comes in, your dash cam comes in really handy, or any witnesses.
What about stop signs, four-way stops?
Yeah, again, you've got to follow the rules of the road. Whatever the rules of the road is what you're going to follow. That's what the insurance company is going to be asking you. Who got to the stop sign first? Who had the right of way? So whoever has the right of way, they're the ones that will be considered not at fault. But you've got to, first of all, be truthful with your insurance company. Don't admit fault when you're on scene. Hopefully everybody's okay. The other consideration too is your weather conditions. If you've got a slippery road, if you've slid and hit another car, you're held at fault regardless of the road conditions. You're supposed to leave enough ample room between vehicles that you were able to stop regardless of road conditions. Say the plow hasn't been through, you can't blame the town for the road conditions. You should be watching how you're driving. You got to know what you're doing. You got to know your vehicle. You have to understand the way it works. And so if it's really snowy and you don't realize that the edge of the road is there and you've gone off the edge of the road, damaging your vehicle, you're considered at fault for a single vehicle accident.
Okay,
it's pretty simple.
What's the difference between having snow tires or not having snow tires?
Well, in my opinion, everybody should have snow tires in Canada because I do believe that they make a difference. It doesn't matter regardless of fault if you've got snow tires or not. But insurance company will give you a break in your policy and in your rate when you have snow tires. But as far as faults is concerned, it makes no difference whether you got snow tires or not. I think you should have them, but it won't make a difference regardless of liability.
Okay. So have winter tires, make sure you have your dash cam, check with witnesses that are around you and get their perspective. Be careful with road conditions and stay back from people and follow the regular traffic laws of the roads.
Yeah. Red light, the right of way, whoever has the right of way, let them go. If you think you have the right of way, make sure that you're sure about it.
Okay. All right. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will have another video coming up about fault, not at fault, one car collisions.
Right.